with a brawl. Looks like Whippin' Lash, Barf Belch, and somebody I didn't catch. Defender Thunderdrum. So we're going to go after them in this order here. We're going to go Defender Thunderdrum, Whippin' Lash, then Barf and Belch. All because that Defender Thunderdrum has the area of effect. Ooh, these are some high-level guys. 25, 24, 24. They're really coming after me. But I ain't concerned. Now we're gonna hit Whippin' Lash. I'm really glad they're going after Sluther. And finally we're gonna hit Barf and Belch and win it. And that's it, game over.